During the fall, you will want to winterize your pond-free waterfall if freezing is a concern in your area. A buildup of ice may cause an overflow in the stream, which may lead to water loss. If your location does not experience freezing, winterizing is not necessary. Begin by unplugging your pump and ionizer if you have one. Remove the rock lid and/or pump vault lid. Loosen the fittings on the plumbing. Remove the pump and check valve assembly. Now is a good time to clean your pump before storing for the winter. If you have an autofill, you will want to drain the line to avoid damage. Put the pump vault lid and/or rock lid back into place. Remove any debris and leaves from the stream bed. You may need multiple nets to cover your pond-free waterfall. Stretch your pond nets across the stream bed to prevent leaves from falling into it. This will help decrease the amount of cleaning you will have to do when you open your waterfall in the spring. Secure the pond nets in place with the net stakes included with your pond nets.